Struggling with those pesky nose hairs and need an effective solution? Worry no more. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 5 best nose hair cutters that deliver precise and painless trimming. From well-known brands like Remington and Conair to innovative options like Groom Mate, Tweezerman, and Hatteker, these tools offer excellent performance and durability. Whether you're seeking convenience, portability, or long-lasting quality, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect nose hair cutter to meet your grooming needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Remington. The Remington NE3845A is a versatile trimmer designed for precise grooming of nose, ear, and eyebrow hair. This compact tool is ideal for those who value performance and convenience in their grooming routine. Key features: featuring a comfort trim blade system with dual-sided blades, it ensures precise cutting without pulling or irritation. The trimmer is waterproof, making it suitable for both wet and dry use, and it includes a battery for immediate operation. Benefits and usage: this trimmer's advanced cutting technology minimizes discomfort while delivering a clean, smooth trim. It's perfect for on-the-go grooming or quick touch-ups. Simply rinse the head under water after each use to maintain hygiene. Usability: the ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, even for beginners. Its versatile attachments allow for detailed grooming beyond just the nose and ears. Durability: built to last, the Remington NE3845A features high-quality materials that ensure long-term use. With proper care, it remains reliable for years, making it a smart investment for personal grooming. In the second spot, we have Conair. The Conair Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer combines style and efficiency in a sleek, user-friendly design. It's crafted for men who prioritize precision and comfort in their grooming tools. Key features: equipped with a 360-degree rotary cutting system, this trimmer offers fast and accurate trimming. It's cordless, powered by a single AA battery, and includes a protective cap for safe storage. Benefits and usage: the rotary blades ensure a smooth trimming experience without nicks or discomfort. Use it to tackle unwanted hair in the nose, ears, and even eyebrows. Cleaning is simple, just rinse the detachable head under running water. Usability: the Conair trimmer is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to maneuver. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, perfect for maintaining your grooming routine on the go. Durability: made with durable stainless steel blades, this trimmer ensures consistent performance over time. The sturdy construction and protective features make it a long-lasting addition to your grooming kit. Coming in at number 3 is the Groom Mate. The Groom Mate Platinum XL is a manual nose hair trimmer designed for those who prefer eco-friendly and battery-free grooming tools. Its timeless design and high-quality materials make it a standout choice. Key features: made from 100% stainless steel, this trimmer offers corrosion resistance and durability. The rotary cutting system is powered manually, ensuring precise and safe trimming without pulling. Benefits and usage: this trimmer provides a quiet, pain-free grooming experience without the need for batteries or charging. Simply rotate the bottom handle to activate the blades for a quick and efficient trim. Usability: its compact, portable design makes it easy to use and carry anywhere. Ideal for those who appreciate simplicity and reliability, this trimmer is perfect for both home and travel use. Durability: the stainless steel construction ensures exceptional longevity. With proper care, the Groom Mate Platinum XL can last a lifetime, making it a sustainable and cost-effective grooming solution. Taking our 4th spot is Tweezerman. The Tweezerman Nose Hair Trimmer is a precision tool designed to handle unwanted nose and ear hair with ease. Known for its superior quality, it offers a safe and effective grooming solution. Key features: featuring sharp, curved blades housed in a cylindrical design, this trimmer ensures accurate trimming while protecting the skin from nicks. It operates manually, requiring no batteries or charging. Benefits and usage: the ergonomic design allows for effortless control, providing a quick and clean trim. It's easy to clean, just rinse it under water or use the included cleaning brush for maintenance. Usability: this trimmer is compact and user-friendly, making it suitable for anyone seeking a no-fuss grooming tool. Its lightweight design and manual operation ensure precision and reliability. Durability: made with high-grade stainless steel, the Tweezerman trimmer is built to withstand regular use. It offers exceptional value for money, lasting for years with minimal upkeep. And finally, at number 5, we have Hatteker. The Hatteker nose hair trimmer is a modern, rechargeable grooming device designed for efficiency and convenience. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who appreciate advanced features in their grooming tools. Key features: this trimmer features a dual-edge spinning blade system with hypoallergenic stainless steel for irritation-free trimming. It's USB rechargeable, includes multiple attachments, and is fully washable for easy cleaning. Benefits and usage: the versatile design allows you to tackle nose, ear, and eyebrow hair effortlessly. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, and the washable attachments ensure hygiene. Use it regularly for precise grooming with minimal effort. Usability: the ergonomic, lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the USB charging capability ensures convenience for travel or home use. Its multiple attachments make it a versatile addition to your grooming routine. Durability: built with durable materials and advanced technology, the Hatteker trimmer offers consistent performance over time. With proper care, it delivers reliable results, making it a worthwhile investment. And that wraps up our list of the best nose hair cutters. Whether you prefer the battery-powered precision of the Remington and Conair models, the eco-friendly simplicity of the Groom Mate, or the versatile features of the Hatteker, there's an option here to suit everyone's grooming needs. Keeping your grooming routine quick, easy, and painless has never been simpler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more expert product reviews. See you next time.